Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Code Hero. So today in this video I am going to show you how you can remove Firebase from your project. I have already made a video on how to connect Firebase. If you want to know then you can watch that video too. Link is given in the description. So first of all, open your project, go to tools, click on Firebase, then select whichever service you want to remove, click on get started. So as you can see, my Firebase is connected to the app. So to remove it, go to your web browser, go to console.firebase.google.com, then select your project. After that, click on the app, click on settings, scroll down and click on delete project. You can also remove the app if you have more than one app connected to the same project. For now, I will delete the entire project. Once that is done, open your Android Studio, click on this first build.gradle file and then just select this class path and remove it. Next, open the second Gradle file and then remove this implementation of Firebase database and then click on Android, select project and then click on the file and just simply delete it. Once that is done, and now if you restart your Android Studio, this connected tick mark will get removed and your Firebase will be removed from the app. So thanks for watching the video. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, comment on this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any issue and want any video on a particular topic, just comment down below and I will make a video on it. Thanks for watching.